Unboxing Pandora's box, understanding the phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to delve into a fascinating English expression, Pandora's box. This phrase is not just a collection of words but a gateway to a rich cultural story and its impact on language. Let's explore what it means and how you can use it in your conversations. Pandora's box comes from an ancient Greek myth. According to the story, Pandora was the first woman on Earth. She was given a box, or a jar, in original stories, and instructed not to open it. Overcome by curiosity, she opened the box, releasing all the evils of humanity, like sickness, death, and various other unforeseen troubles. Interestingly, the last thing left in the box was hope. In modern English, when someone says they've opened a Pandora's box, they mean they've done something that seems small or innocent but turns out to cause a lot of trouble and complications. It's often used to describe a situation where an action has many unexpected and problematic consequences. It's a phrase that conveys a mix of chaos, curiosity, and unintended outcomes. Let's look at some examples. 1. When the mayor announced the new policy, it opened a Pandora's box of complaints and protests. 2. Trying to fix the bug in the software was like opening Pandora's box. It just led to more issues. These examples show how the phrase is used in context to describe situations where a simple action leads to complex problems. Pandora's box is more than just a phrase. It's a lesson wrapped in mythology and woven into language. It reminds us that some actions, especially those driven by curiosity or ignorance, can lead to unforeseen and often negative consequences. I hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase effectively in your English conversations. Keep learning and exploring, and remember, sometimes it's best to leave the box closed.